Hi, my name is Natalia and I came today to this wonderful meeting to learn more about other women in real estate, in notes, wholesaling, and how they got there, how they started in this business. And basically, I'm inspired by these women, their moms, their daughters, their wives, and they are able to do all this and their humble beginnings. So I am a real estate investor in my beginnings. I am a landlord, but I'm looking to step up my game and become a full-time investor and also hopefully get into the notes business. So I'm here, what I'm taking from here is yes, I can do it. And yes, I need to find the right people, mentors, the right women to network with, and where I can learn and also hopefully be part of their projects and help them too as well. This is a wonderful meeting. I'm so glad I came today, and I would recommend to any woman out there who want to be in real estate to start here. This is the place to start, and you'll see you can do it too.